Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates because outdated builds often break notification hooks. Once done, open Discord and go straight to user settings, then notifications. This is where global toggles live. Make sure system notifications and desktop notifications are enabled so Discord can push alerts. Also check Windows Action Center briefly. If Focus Assist is on, you won't see anything. Do this now so the next steps can address app-specific and OS-level causes without wasting time. Next, you inspect per server settings because server mute or channel overrides silently suppress alerts. Open any server, click its name, choose notification settings, and set mentions and messages appropriately. Then move to Windows Notifications and Actions to ensure Discord is allowed and not blocked by Focus Assist rules. Make sure the taskbar and tray icons aren't silencing the app. If Discord is running as admin, run both Discord and Windows permissions consistently. These steps align app behavior with OS policies. Finally, you perform the decisive tests. Restart Discord and Windows to reset notification services, then send a direct mention from another account to confirm. If you still get nothing, clear Discord's cache or reinstall to replace corrupted files. Make sure Discord isn't set to Do Not Disturb. Toggling status can reset notification delivery. If problems continue, try the key troubleshooting tip. Test the same account on a different PC or use a friend's account. This isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.